I damaged my water hose last summer with my lawnmower, and I tried to give it a quick temporary fix, but this is not working nearly as good as it should. It still leaks a lot from this joint. If this was away from the end, I could have cut these two ends and then joined with a hose repair kit, but this is very close to the end, so I will cut the hose from here and then install a new adapter at the end, and that will fix the problem. So let's do it. So you need a really sharp knife for this purpose. It's easier if you start with the point and then go across. It's a tough hose. So we will discard this piece. So okay, we are replacing this this connector with a grip lock, a male mender. I got this from Home Depot, but you can get a similar one from any home hardware store. They come in plastic and also metal. I chose the metal thing, and it's really easy to use. So you just take this end of the hose and push it hard into this. Now I'll attach the sprinkler and then see how this works. Okay, the moment of truth. So I turned my water on, and I'm turning the sprinkler on now. Oh, there's no leakage, so this thing is good. I was even thinking of replacing the hose, but this $4 part did the job, and I'm now good to go. Okay guys, that's all about it. So that's all for today. Until I see you guys next, take care.